Hi, Mr. Crooks. Say hi. Oh. Hi, Miss Puss. Say hi. Oh, what's she doing in here? Is she pooping? Is she pooping? Should I record her? Oh, record her. Then we come in here. Oh, hello, room. Hello. Oh, excuse me. I didn't see you over there. Welcome to my movie. This is going to be my life for the next week. Yeah, you can barely see me right now, so we're coming in over here. So, hey, welcome back. Still didn't see you over there. What do you know? But, yeah, this is how we do it. You know, got the nice little room. Decorated real good. Nice big bed. I'm sure you can see all this. Got a little puss coming up. Really don't know what to say about that, but hey, what can you do? So, go get on up. Think I'm gonna go back into the old living room there. Maybe talk to Sheldon. Talk to the little puss right here. Who's following me? Hey, who's a little puss dog? Little puss dog. Oh, you want your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed? Yeah, you do. Oh, hey, Crook's getting jealous. It's okay. Hey, crazy anyway. Oh, you want to see my turtle? I'll show you my turtle. This is my turtle. Hey, buddy. Hey, you want to get in this? Oh, just don't get scared and go away from the light.